Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. This machine starts up and it runs and operates well. This machine has brand new rear tires on it. The deck has been touched up, some of the paint's been touched up, but it's a very sturdy, good operating deck. Seat's in very nice shape. This machine has right around 1,200 hours on it. 1,248 hours. Has a very nice 27 horsepower Kawasaki engine with a really heavy duty air filtration system. The engine is in very nice shape on this mower. The hydraulics are in good operating condition. The pump systems are very clean. It's a good operating machine. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.